uPetha Simawoyo oneminyaka engama-27 ubudala waseMozambique omataniswa nokudlwengula nokubulalwa kuka-Amahle Samane oneminyaka eyisithupha ubudala wase-Orlando East uvele enkantolo yemantshi yaseProtea namhlanje ekuseni. uSamane wadlwengula wabulawa ngomfumfu nyakenye ngemuva kokuthunjwa edlala nabangani bakhe kwamakhelwane. Isidumbu sakhe satholwa emjondolo womsolwa ngesikhathi kuqhubeka ukuqulwa kwamacala enkantolo. Imantshi iyalela ukuthi ummangalelwa abuyele enkantolo ngomhla ziyisi-7 kuMbasa ukuze alande amaphepha adluliselwe enkantolo enkulu yaseGoli.
We're not here for fame, we're not here ukuthi sibonwe, but we are here for abantwana bethu.
Sadluliselwe enkantolo ephakeme yaseJohannesburg icala lokufika ngokungemthetho kuleli uPetha Simawoyo owadlwengula wabulala intombazanyana eneminyaka eyisithupha e-Orlando East ngonyaka owedlule. Okhulumela i-NPA eGauteng uPhindi Mjonondwane uthi-ke sebemi ngomumo ukuqula leli cala.
We are ready to proceed as a state. The prosecutor already conducted the consultation processes with all his witnesses. So we've got our ducks in a row and we are ready to present a formidable case before court. What we can assure the nation of is that as the NPA we remain committed in playing our role in fighting gender-based violence, and we have cases where we have done very well as the NPA in ensuring that justice is delivered, and we will continue being the voice for gender-based violence victims in court.
Kusenjalo ukhulumela umndeni weSisulu uthi-ke banethemba lokuthi leli cala lizosheshe ligoqwe.
Today njengoba sizobuya on Monday, postponed on Monday, kune hope enkulu because the case izoya a high court. So I'm hoping and I'm praying ukuthi ingaprolongi kakhulu, but let little Amahle finds justice. Because siyabona ama cases amaningi aphelele moyeni or abadlwenguli bahamba scot free, we understand. So I so wish ukuthi this would be a wake up call to our government ukuthi we are tired ukuthi abantwana bayadlwengulwa bayabulala and nothing has been done.
uAmahle Samane watholakala emkhukhwini kaMsolwa edindilizile ngemuva kokudlwengula, kanti-ke umsolwa wabesephele emehlweni. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngiseProtea North.
Sihlabela phambili kulo lolu daba inhlangano eBuild a Better South Africa inxusa ukuthi kujeziswe kanzima abahlukumezi bodlame nokubulawa kwabesifazane kuleli. Le nhlangano ithi izoqhubeka nokweseka izisulu ze-gender based violence futhi imele ukuthi kwenziwe ubulungiswa.
Today I'm here on support of the community of Orlando. As PAPSA, we are here. We went to the community, went back to the community, we intervened and checked on how they are doing, went to the family, we intervened. So it's not only about fame, it's not about what was happening the first time when this whole case was starting. We are here for the family, we're going to be here for each and every child, each and every step. We know that the country has failed a family Amahle. We know that they promised them a lot of things. We're not going to promise them anything. We're going to do what each and every parent was supposed to do for umntwana. We're going to be here each and every step of the way.
Really shattered. Today we had to remind the community of Orlando. We have to remind the justice system here to Guti. There is still Amahle. Not only Amahle, there is Ukwekwe. There is other kids that have been raped. But not only that, what are they doing to family like Amahle? Bayenzeni. Baphelele lapho kulelo viki lelo. Where is the justice? Where is the justice in South Africa? Are we only going to end namhlanje kuphelele la? Kuyophelela la. Abantwana bethu bayophelelaphi? Amahle today she's laying in her grave. She is still alive, but they're not doing anything for her. Bafuna ukuthi kuyenzakaleni. What is this world doing to us? La South Africa kuyenzakalani? Can we not have justice? Can we not have justice? Ramaphosa la uhleli khona baba siyakuhlonipha. But what is it that you are doing? Can you fight for our kids? Can you fight for us as women? Can you fight for us as a country? What is it that you're doing? Viva Amahle, viva. Let's all give justice to Amahle.